Alright, mini artist. Today we are drawing Krampus. Yes, Krampus, and he's as real as Santa. And if you don't do what your parents say, he's gonna come and get you and your presents. So we're gonna do the Krampus in the style of Among Us. So to start with, we are drawing the shape of the Among Us visor, and it's shaped like a peanut. So let's draw a peanut basically. But this peanut is not on a straight line. So this is the half of it. We are drawing it on, if you imagine a line, and the line is slanted like this, and we are drawing it a little bit tilted. Oops. Okay, perfect. So this is the visor, and then we are going to draw his head and the spikes on his back. So let's say his head starts from here. And it goes down. And then for the spikes on his back, since he's evil, we're just gonna draw it like how we draw a tree, the Christmas tree, like this. And then bring it back down for his legs, like this. And there you have it. While we're at it, let's just draw the leg fully and then go after the other one. So this is his right leg. Let's bring it back up with a straight line. Do a line like that. Put some space between the legs. Bring it back down, just like this line, with this curvature. And just like this leg, we're gonna draw a slanted line. Draw a curved line like this. Go back up. And this is the right leg. Now, for the rest of his body, we're gonna work our way down from the visor because it's gonna be 10 times easier. Okay, so let's pretend this line is coming out of here. So create a small curved line like this. And then we're gonna draw his mouth. And his mouth comes to the edge of here almost. Okay. Now connect these two parts or these edges together with a curved line. Just make it as curvy as you can, because that's gonna be his upper lip. Like this. Perfect, that's his upper lip, and for his lower lip, we're gonna draw another curved line, but it's not as curvy as this one. It doesn't go as high. Something like this, yeah. If you continue down this line, this is where we have to stop. Okay, perfect. And since the other side of his body has spikes, we're just gonna give him some spikes on this side too. So let's bring it back down like this. Go back. In and out, in and out. And let's just connect these two lines together. Just like how we connected the leg and the spikes on the other side. Alright, perfect. This is his mouth. Now the next parts are gonna be his teeth. So teeth is normal, just like a shark teeth. Just come out and go back in. Come out, go back in. Then put some space between these two. Come back, go back in. Put some space. Now, if you're up for it, you can actually draw some extra teeth between these two. It's up to you. Like this. More. Like this. Perfect. So this is his teeth, and all we need at this point is his tongue. So his tongue comes from around this area on the lower lip. Just make an edge and curvy line, and then just like a wave, bring it back down. And then the lower part of his tongue comes from here. Follow the curvature of this line. And finally connect them together. Okay, perfect. So, next part are gonna be his horns. Since Krampus has creepy horns. So one is gonna come from this area, and the other one, since his head is tilted up, is gonna come from this is one, this is gonna be another one. So let's do this one. The left horn. Let's draw a curvy line like this, and then bring it back down with a larger curvy line like this. And then same goes for the other horn. So we set this area, let's just say starts from here. Just like a wave, and then bring it back up. Like this. Perfect. Now all he needs is his oxygen tank, and what else does he need? He needs a tail. Let's do the oxygen tank because it's easy. Okay, so he's tilted his head up, meaning that, you know, he's leaning backwards. So we have to draw the oxygen tank leaned backwards. So don't draw a straight line like this. Don't draw a perpendicular one. Draw a slanted line and then bring it back down like this. Goes through here up until here. And like this. And bring it back to the body. And then for his tail, we're gonna go with a normal tail. Yeah, sure, why not? So let's just do a curvy line, and then another curvy line, and then like a tear-shaped drop. And that's gonna be his tail. Perfect. What else does he need? Let's see. Krampus is always angry, so let's add some lines on his forehead as he's shouting, basically. So he's gonna have some lines on his forehead. Let's just draw a curvy line, follow the curvature of the visor, and you know what? He needs another one. So let's do one like this. And he needs another one, actually, since the lines on the forehead is always like 2 or 3. So let's just do one from here. Follow the same curvature of this one, but draw it a little bit smaller. Alright, perfect. What else does he need? This part is actually... Yeah, since we're drawing his mouth open, we need to draw the other side of the mouth. If this is the right side, he needs to have a left side. So let's say comes from here. There you go. That's the edge of his mouth on the left side. All right, perfect. This is our Krampus. Perfect, sounds good. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it. See you guys next time.